Customizable options in a micro-high-speed centrifuge can be useful for specialized applications. These configurations allow users to tailor the centrifuge to their specific needs. Customizable features, speed settings, customization, adjustable speed ranges to accommodate different protocols. Importance: tailored speed settings optimize separation efficiency. Timer options, customization, programmable timers for precise run times. Importance: ensures reproducibility and accuracy. Temperature control, customization, adjustable temperature settings. Importance: preserves sample integrity and stability. Rotor selection, customization, choice of rotors for varying capacities and applications. Importance: flexibility in processing different sample volumes. Interface customization, user-friendly interfaces with customizable presets. Importance: streamlines workflow and saves time. Safety features, customization, adjustable safety settings. Importance: ensures operator safety and sample security. Accessories, customization, availability of specialized adapters and seals. Importance: supports specialized sample handling. Customizable configurations in a micro-high-speed centrifuge provide flexibility and adaptability for specialized applications. Tailoring the centrifuge to specific needs enhances efficiency and precision. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their customization options, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.